Rumors about the DJI Pocket 4 have been swirling non-stop, and the release window has become one of the hottest topics in the creator community. Early predictions had many expecting a fall 2025 launch, with October or November being the most likely months. Then new speculation emerged suggesting DJI might push the release into late 2026 or even early 2027, following a longer development cycle. But recently, a very specific timeframe has been repeatedly popping up: December 2025. Even if the exact date ends up changing slightly, December makes perfect sense. DJI is facing a strict deadline tied to the 2025 National Defense Authorization Act, which pressures the company to launch before December 23. If a U.S. agency doesn't initiate an audit by then, DJI risks major complications tied to FCC policies. So a December launch isn't just convenient, it's a smart strategic move. And with leaks accelerating, it feels closer than ever. Now that the release window is becoming clearer, let's dive into what the DJI Pocket 4 is shaping up to offer, and why it's generating so much excitement. The biggest rumor by far is the jump to a dual camera system. For the first time in the Pocket lineup, DJI is reportedly pairing a 1-inch CMOS main sensor, tuned in collaboration with Hasselblad, with a secondary telephoto camera powered by a 50-megapixel OmniVision sensor. This combination could dramatically expand creative flexibility, allowing users to switch between wide cinematic shots and crisp telephoto compositions without sacrificing clarity. The dual camera setup may also bring improved subject tracking, better depth perception, and more reliable autofocus, a major advantage for vloggers and creators constantly on the move. The display isn't expected to grow much in size, but visibility is rumored to take a solid leap forward. Early whispers suggest brightness may reach around 800 nits, which would finally make the Pocket series easier to view in harsh outdoor lighting. Another exciting possibility is a small secondary front-facing display designed for vloggers. This would make self-framing far more convenient, eliminating the need to guess your position while filming. Connectivity also seems to be getting meaningful upgrades. Faster wireless performance, improved Bluetooth stability, and an updated USB-C port could result in quicker transfers and smoother interactions with companion apps. Charging speeds may also see a bump, helping creators stay ready when capturing long shoots or time-sensitive events. Battery life is rumored to see slight improvement, though the device might become a bit taller or slightly heavier as DJI works to fit in all the new hardware. Even then, the Pocket 4 is still expected to maintain its signature portable form factor that slips easily into a pocket, one of its biggest advantages over larger handheld gimbals. Leaked images show a more premium, modernized exterior with smoother lines and a refined finish. This design shift seems aimed at both durability and aesthetics, making the Pocket 4 feel like a true next-generation tool for creators. There's even quiet speculation about two versions, possibly a standard edition and a more advanced variant designed for professionals, though that remains unconfirmed. Overall, DJI appears to be packing in features meant to future-proof the Pocket series. From stronger optics and brighter displays to smarter tracking and better connectivity, the Pocket 4 is shaping up to be a significant leap forward rather than a small refresh. As leaks continue to stack up, it's becoming clear that DJI is preparing something ambitious, especially with the pressure of the December deadline adding urgency behind the scenes. If everything aligns, creators could be getting one of the most capable compact cameras DJI has ever produced. So, as things stand, December 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal moment for DJI, and the Pocket 4 might be the centerpiece of that timeline. With field test footage circulating, reports of mass production beginning, and an increasingly tight deadline on the horizon, all signs point toward a launch that's closer than many expected. The combination of new hardware, refined design, and smarter features makes this one of the most anticipated compact camera drops in years. And if the rumors hold true, DJI is preparing a device that could reshape what creators expect from a pocket-sized powerhouse. If you want to stay fully updated on everything happening behind the scenes and catch every new leak, make sure you're subscribed to Technify. There's a lot more coming, and things are about to get even more interesting. Thanks for sticking around. See you in the next one.